One. Hello, welcome back to the Sons of Medusa YouTube channel. Today, we have our good friend, Quizzle, Jake, Mr., and Roboto.
ISVR.
Remember to like, subscribe.
Shut the fuck
so
up!
so-
Sorry.
I'm gonna flip the fuck out. I'm gonna flip the fuck out.
Hey,
Not
up,
restarting
guys?
this.
Welcome back to another
Alright.
video.
Alright, get the fuck out of the wall. Get the fuck out of the
hate
wall.
him.
Alright, you guys can talk now. Fucking god.
Everybody, this guy's a
It's
fucking
gonna be
monkey.
it
I
on
hope
my
he
channel.
dies.
I'm gonna drop you. I'm gonna find your IP and drop. Alright.
No, don't
Let's
find my IP.
start.
That would really suck.
Let's start.
I'm
Nah, find my IP.
My god, peace and silence. I can't stop the loneliness. Okay, we got a line engine. Bow, bow, bow. Bow, 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 bow. I can't stop the loneliness. Bum, bum, bum. Ba-dum, ba. Swear to God. Why do these fuckers call like the emergency meeting? Just to say some stupid shit. I'm gonna freak out. I'm literally just gonna flip out.
Okay.
Oh, shit.
I've been doing tasks.
Yo, I watched him commit one of them.
What?
I
straight up watched him do it.
Nah, I didn't do
the last
nothing.
guy I was
I didn't do
It's
nothing.
either you or you. I don't know who did it though.
no.
Bro, you're pointing fingers the most,
I can send y'all
though.
a screenshot.
You are pointing fingers the most.
None
No,
of us are
I
pointing
can send y'all a
fingers.
screenshot. I can send y'all a
Bro.
screenshot too.
He walked up to me.
Just kick.
His head.
Okay.
I saw him do some.
Yeah, that's
If that's not pointing fingers,
I was doing all my
There's-
tasks.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
done with my.
Just press this. I think that would be better.
Oh, motherfucker.
Whoa! Big words. Yeah. We're so good at this game. I can stop.
You
I
cheated.
can go first.
The
I can go
loneliness.
first.
You cheated. You opened your menu to make sure it was me, and then fucking killed me. Pushed up names off, you retard.
Alright. Enforce mute's going off.
Monkey.
As much as I love it, I hate commentary. So let's go. I can't stop.
Let's go.
Yo, imagine cleaning some O2 filter. Couldn't be me.
Imagine. Yeah, that's right.
You're good. You're good. You're good.
Quiz was good.
I can't stop the
No,
loneliness.
it's not even funny. You don't even have to aim. You just have to click.
Oh shit, my throat. Oh my god, I have fuel.
He did scan.
Who did?
You don't want. That guy did scan. The little Timmy. That Quizzle hates so much.
Hello, monkey.
Wait a minute. Is it Roboto?
Just fucking with you.
I can't stop the loneliness. Bro, I swear, man. This engine be a jam sometimes. I swear. Cause I can't stop the loneliness. Bro. Okay. Who is it?
Send me that one, cause I can't. This is for calling me a fuckwad.
Oh, well, it's not me.
I don't give it.
The tall one?
Am I
All the same height.
If it's not me that one, it's Jake.
okay.
Okay.
I don't even mind.
Okay.
I don't think my vote matters.
Doing asteroids, and then I kind of just went around to storage, and then I saw nothing happen. I honestly thought I was going to die.
It's me that one, gang.
It ain't me,
I
but
voted for
okay.
myself.
What?
Um,
What? It's fucking you, and you know it. I'm following
I'm gonna
Jake,
go
and
just
if I don't-
download
if
some
you don't see
data.
me, I'm following Jake. If you don't see me, or you don't see Jake, it's me or Jake. Alright, everybody, Jake literally just fucking told me that he was the imposter.
I don't really care. I got him. I don't care about. I just want to get him gone.
Bro, come on, man.
I'm not fucking lying.
Come on, bro. Come on, man.
Why did you tell us that?
Okay, bro, you
Bro,
have
we
your
could've
name
had
tags
perfectly
on.
normal
Said
game.
Mr. Coco,
No, I
then you
have
walked
them
up and
all.
killed me.
Because
I
Monkey, because I heard Quizzle say your name, so I thought Monkey. I heard him say Mr. Coco.
Bro,
was
it
on.
wasn't me. I literally just got my med base scan done.
Stop you dirty net.
So meet that when you are black.
Whoa.
We're all black. Anyways, time to do it back.
We're all black. You're right. You can't be racist.
Oh wow.
You can't be
No, I wanna
racist.
be
I'm sorry. Shut the fuck up.
Die.
Okay.
I'm racist.
Fucking, I'm
Funny.
not like kick you. I'm like actually I'm gonna punch you in the balls.
You know what'd be funny? We all pretend to act like somebody, just for fun.
Like
Don't tell
somebody
person
in
you're
this
acting
place.
as.
Somebody here.
They have to guess. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No one. How about no one talks? I'm
Like
not
okay,
gonna
dirty.
stop.
Shut the fuck up. So someone's gonna try to act as me. Someone's gonna try to act as you. Someone's gonna act
I
as Jake.
can't act.
Yeah. Doesn't that sound fun?
Yeah, that sounds fun.
Okay.
Start the
Okay.
game. I'm ready.
You can get a color. You can choose any color now. You don't have to be black anymore.
All people meant to be.
Blacky.
I'm just gonna be. I'm okay. I already know. I. This person only says like one word, so it's gonna be pretty easy just to tell who I am.
All right. Let's go.
I can't.
Okay, he's the imposter. He just said I can. This is my proof that I'm not the imposter. I could have killed you. Look, I could have killed you. No, and you have 40 seconds.
It has not been 40 seconds. We have. It's a 40-second timer.
Well,
Now you made
tell me when it's been 40 seconds, because I don't have the thing.
That's you, by the way.
Yo, who's gonna
Wah, wah,
walk
wah.
the med base scan? Yo, you watch me do my med base. Somebody
Wow.
watch me do my med. Yo, watch me do my med base,
So
bro.
who are you acting like it's my question?
Mr. Coco.
Makes sense. I don't know how to act like anyone but myself. Yay. Let me act like Colbert for a second. Yeah.
I'm clear.
I can't stop. Okay, there we go. The loneliness.
Oh, I wish I could do weapons. I love weapons. I love weapons. Back away, back away, back away, back away, back away. Get away, get away, get away, get away from me. I don't like you.
Uh-oh, Steve.
Red, 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 who's red, who's red, who's red? I don't know who's red.
My god, he's even acting like himself, like acting like a fucking credit. I haven't seen Tyler anywhere. I haven't seen Tyler anywhere.
Hey, can I tell you a secret, Purple?
Nope, back up, back up.
Child predator.
You are a child.
What the fuck? You guys understand the shit's going on YouTube, right? You guys understand the shit's going on YouTube. No matter the project, this shit's going on YouTube.
Who was it?
Okay, I guess it was I was acting as.
Wait,
I think I know.
Who?
But who was I acting as?
If you watched me do my med
Mr.
base game,
Roboto?
you could have killed me.
Yeah,
I was acting like him. Wow, wow.
I was acting like him.
Bro,
Wow,
you
wow,
all suck. Alright, let's have a
Okay, can
couple of
everybody
this
here
game
shut
out.
up so I can actually hear him? He has a quiet ass mic.
These three were all together when you had said, "Hey, follow me. We're going to go do med base scan." They would know I was.
I don't know who to act as now.
You.
I have an idea.
We don't have to act as
Monkey,
anybody.
monkey,
It
monkey,
is-
monkey.
It was me.
Monkey.
I'm gonna kill myself.
Monkey, monkey.
Alright, let's play a normal Among Us game.
Here,
Still on someone.
here, I'm still gonna still.
Meh, meh, meh. Meh, 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 meh. Meh, 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 meh.
Wow, 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 wow,
Cause I can't stop the loneliness. Bow. Chicka.
If you call me spooky, you fucking retard.
No, I said black.
Stop calling people retards. I want money from this video. Please. Like, actually, I want money from this video. I want money from this video.
Put me in his basement. Help me.
I'm gonna stop beating the
Help
shit
me,
out of
me
people.
Dude, too
I'm
quick.
trying to do this. Bitch won't. Okay, do I need? Oh,
Doing.
I'm gonna knock. I'm about to knock the teeth out of you.
No hands.
I'm gonna knock the teeth out of you.
He's
I
scared.
can't stop. Bro, my ADHD is killing me.
You are not Sigma like that. You are not Sigma
I
like
am
that.
Sigma.
You are not Sigma.
Fucking Quizzo.
Quizzo, you are not Sigma.
Who the fuck just said fucking Quizzo? Fucking. Ow. Ticka.
I hate that. That's my move all the time.
Well,
Wait, what? Go, my boy.
are you ready?
I'm not the imposter.
Are you ready?
Wait, was that a voice changer?
Of course I have a voice change. A voice change.
Yo.
Sure. It's not on, but I have one.
It's not killing anyone. I think it's a motto. It's
I
not
can't
killing
stop.
anyone.
The loneliness. Bro. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bam, bam.
I
1,
trust
2,
me,
3,
dot one.
4.
I've been doing my
Bam, bam,
tasks.
bam, bam. My stick trick. Yeah. Okay.
Fuck you, Quazell. I'm ending my life.
Holy shit.
Impression.
Bro, I want money from this video. Please. Please, I just want money from this video. Stop talking
Can I
about
not
killing
say fuck?
yourself. Please, for
Okay,
the love
let me
of
kill
God.
Jake.
That's
Huh?
better.
Who?
Wait, can I say the N-word?
No, you can't say the N-word. What the fuck's the matter with... Bro, I'm not getting any money from this
My
video, am I?
life. I'm ending my life, gang.
I'm not getting any money from this video.
Guess who I'm
It's
trying to do an
over.
impression of?
It is over.
Guess who I'm trying to do-
It is over. It's all done. Career over. Ban.
No, meet up one. Who do you think? Oh,
I can't stop the loneliness.
trust me. I love you with my life. It's not him. It's my law. If it's not him, kill.
Y'all dumb as fuck. I swear to God. Well, I can't stop the loneliness. So how y'all doing today, viewer? I said a viewer because I'm assuming only one person's gonna watch it. Doing bad? Type it in the comments.
Because he was actually in the room, so it's actually Mr. Coco. The reason why I think this.
pointing at him.
The reason I think this, he is getting really defensive, and then when I accuse Jacob something, he doesn't defend him or he doesn't defend himself. But when I start like doing shit to him, he starts getting really defensive.
Why
So
does he
this is my
spin?
proof that he's it.
What's so special that does like spinning does?
I'm not even gonna lie.
I do have a grudge on you. But I'm saying because he was close. Trust me, it's not me. I did all my
I
tasks.
did all my tasks and went on my.
I can't stop.
Okay, you guys are fucking wrong. It was him, that cocksucker. I was literally right. I was doing like
I like
using
how he
fucking
left.
interrogation tactics.
I like
Oh, he's using.
how you left. Fuck you all.
You see, Mr. Coco? I hope you
Dumb.
suck my dick.
Yeah.
They're so dumb.
What money?
Mr.
Okay,
Coco,
look me in the eyes.
my dick and balls. I was right.
Quizzle.
Everybody,
Quizzle.
you're a dumbass.
Quizzle.
You're a dumbass. I'm
Quizzle.
right. I
Look
am
me in the
God.
eyes.
I am become
Quizzle.
death. Destroy your world.
Quizzle, look me in the eyes.
Crap.
Look me in the eyes, Quizzle.
What?
I hate them.
I want money. I want the green stuff. I
know, I can't do that for you. I'm an unfiltered man.
That was me.
Killed him through a wall.
No.
Look at me.
Of course it was you.
I want
you
money.
retard.
I'm gonna
I told you that was you.
I'm gonna kill you. And your
Interrogation
family. I'm gonna
tactics
crucify
against
you.
You dirty whore.
Okay.
You're a dirty whore. You're a dirty whore too. By the way, I was trying to ask you when I said I'm gonna end my life.
He was not in the room where it happened. That does not mean his hand fucking.
Yes,
Damn
I
it.
weren't.
Y'all suck. Like, actually. Yo, I got scanned. Yo, I got scanned. Who believes me? I'm not gonna stab you.
Nah, fuck
I
you.
have scan. I swear to God, I have scan. I'm not gonna stab you.
Hold on. Let me. What the fuck?
I'm doing scan. I'm doing scan. Okay. It was
Well, I already done it, so.
I have a task from last round, as in I have to continue a task from last round.
Oh, yes. Here's scan. I can't stop the loneliness. Bro, I'm gonna punch a hole through my wall.
Stick together.
If Quizzle talks about killing himself again, I'm just gonna punch a hole through my wall. Hi, Quizzle.
I hate Cole. I really hate my friend right now. Me.1.
Fuck you,
Oh, wait,
me
was I
dot
friends with
one.
Me.1.
Fuck you, mean me dot one. You walk up to me and say me dot one. Well, look what we got here. Another blanket.
Where's the other one?
I'm sorry. I'm better than that.
Let's go check out. Hold on. You can do it.
I might be retarded, guys. I might be retarded, guys.
Oh, I'm late, aren't I?
I might be
You
retarded,
fucking
guys.
light. You
I
fucking light,
might be
Mike.
retarded.
I was
My
the one
bad,
that
y'all.
fixed the other one.
Okay, I'm
I
just
had no
accepting
one
the fact.
else.
Fuck.
I'm not getting any money from this video. I'm really not.
Yeah,
There's no way in
I
hell
don't know how to make
I'm
money.
gonna get money from this video.
How about we switch? I'm joking. Among Us.
Jake.
Among Us is acoustic. Like,
Shut up.
the
Look,
fuck away
look
from
who I'm
me.
trying to act as. I'm Mr.
Get the
Roboto.
fuck away from me.
I'm Roboto, guys. I'm moving like this.
I'm gonna touch
Oh my god.
What?
God, is he trying to act as me? Because I'm like touching people.
Jesus fucking Christ. Yeah.
Okay, guys. I killed him.
Oh, I was
Just
being
kidding. It was me
bad.
that one. It
I
was me
didn't
that
do
one,
shit.
guys.
Okay, I'm gonna kill myself.
Fucking yes, you did. You did. I swear. You're the closest to the fucking body.
Bro, I was with you.
I was just walking.
Also, I
was
said
just-
bro
I was
so
just
loud.
fucking
I
walking,
heard
and I saw
echo.
a dead body.
Me.1
And
for the video, or are you the imposter?
No.
Where's the body?
it was like I forget. It was
Like,
just
everybody's already
Actually,
gonna
I'm
let you
starting to get
out, but
annoyed that
are
I
you the
haven't been the
imposter?
imposter yet.
like you fucking walked from the
Because,
dead
you
body.
know, YouTube.
Yeah.
He walks from the dead body. Like
Yeah,
trust me on everything. He walks his ass from the dead body, and you get away
Bro.
with it. You prick. You're not fly.
Quazzle, aren't you the one who did it?
How do you? What do you mean? Aren't I the one that did it? It was him that did it.
didn't do
Okay,
shit.
now I use the defensive tactic.
Yo,
Like I'm being honest with you. It's like probably fucking him. Like I'm
it's
gonna
dead
be.
ass Quazzle.
Wait.
It's Quazzle.
It's
Like, you
it's
got
not me.
defensive.
You're just still the way I got defensive. No, I'm just
Okay.
being true.
Star
You
Raptor.
got really defensive when I told you. Don't try to pull shit I do on you. Like brother.
I mean, I swear to God, they have like a brain sync or something like that. They are not normal people. I'm a strict believer in that.
I'm staying beside you until the next meeting.
Okay.
What is it?
Fuck.
If one of us dies, we can keep it defended because I just realized I forgot I'm able to. I had watched you do that.
No!
So it's not you.
Yeah, it's not me.
Tyler was.
I did manscan.
Yeah. And Quazzle was accusing you. So
You were talking about the task you had from the last round.
should I just
So,
Yes, I did my task.
wait. Let's all stay here. Let's all stay here. Come here.
I'll stay here.
Let's all stay here. And if we hear the fucking the emergency fucking electrical shit,
One, you're gay.
fuck you,
Yeah.
dick. I'm gonna punch the shit out of him. All right, you guys can go.
Huh?
I'm gonna break your nose. God damn it. I can't stop.
Stop. Your life is worth nothing. Nobody will ever love you. You're gonna be alone for the rest of your life, Bubba. Alone. You're gonna die alone. No one
You
ever-
didn't defend me. Watched him
I had
kill
no
me.
reason to defend you.
Dying alone.
I had no reason to
Dying
defend you.
alone.
What?
Fucking know it, you prick.
I was dead. I
Okay.
was dead.
Well, I had no
you
proof.
didn't. No.
Besides the fact that you were dead, I had no proof on who did it.
You could have said Quazzle. Are you acoustic? Okay.
Yeah, I am.
I'm killing me.
Thanks for listening.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for trying to.
Yeah.
Thanks for trying to punch me, fucking retard.
No, get over here. Get over here.
I hope I'm an imposter so I can kill you.
Goddamn retard.
I really. God damn it. Yes. Oh, you're ready.
Sucking on like massive black dick. Like stop.
what if me that one gets money for me punching you across the face?
I
He's
won't.
not gonna get money for this.
No,
His video's already
I
It would
won't.
be funny.
I won't get any money.
I will give you VR chat. Dang it.
Look at me,
But
VR
can
Chat
I-
Plus.
Should I? Okay, I might eventually. I might because I might not be able to.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
I'll try blocking.
What do you want me to do?
Kick Quizzle directly in the.
Okay,
Kick, please.
here, come on.
I just want.
I won't let you watch this, so I actually get the money from it. Hey, Quizzle,
Yes.
Quizzy,
Quizzle.
Quizzale, whatever your
Quizzy?
fucking pronouns are.
When was that a thing, Quizzy?
Quizzy,
It might
Hey,
take
Quizzy.
me a bit, but I will.
I'm gonna break your
get you
fucking
it.
nose.
It might take me a bit.
Quizzy.
Quizzy like a dog now?
Yeah, he's a dog. Is that better? Is that better? Is that better? Is that...
Yeah. I
Okay.
didn't see nothing.
Okay, we good?
I didn't see
We good, we
nothing.
good. Whoa! Oh my god.
Right when I
Where's this
throw my
random
cat.
dead body?
Who is this man?
Who did it?
Everyone, I think it's Cyan. He's a little black.
I did not see Span the entire run.
Okay, where was
Yeah, me
hold on, where
neither.
exactly what was the body behind?
Where was the body?
Doing my task.
It was right outside electrical.
Body. Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah, I was
that
doing my tasks.
I think
Bro,
You
I
even
think it might
tasked
be
me after a
Cyan.
task.
It might be Cyan.
Where were you?
That's
two?
not me.
Where were you? two?
Y'all can vote for me.
well, I was just wandering doing tasks.
I
Say,
was
man.
doing tasks too. I was just
Where are you?
wandering. I did a couple
Huh?
a line engine thing.
I was in a
Bro.
hall.
Steering check.
Just saying.
Like, okay, so
It
I was
might be you.
basically in this
Which
hallway,
hallway?
walking
There's a
in
lot
It
of
could be
hallways.
me, but it's not.
Okay.
You can vote for me though.
So
I don't care.
basically,
Okay.
I went
Mm,
on
I'm
one of
asking.
these hallways. I don't know,
I
and I
personally
walked.
think it's me. Dot
I
one.
don't know which hallway, but I was walking.
I went down to
Actually, I
weapons.
personally
Heard you
think
guys
it's
talking
black
about me
because
beating
he
the
also
shit.
was gone the whole time.
Out of fucking Quizzle. And I did so. And then I found his dead body.
I went-
So,
I went
I was with
around,
Quizzle the entire time. He
suffered
did.
O2 and kept saying top of the description.
We're not
I
Quizzle.
wasn't with him.
Jake.
I wasn't with him. They were together though. Those Quasi, I'm pretty sure. Him. I was just alone doing tasks.
I think it's still.
I was on one of
Hmm.
these two, but I'm going to skip because not really enough evidence against either of them other than just other.
Okay, y'all.
What?
Yeah, the vote was in favor.
Run.
Now I'm gonna go get.
Run,
I might-
both of us. Both of us. Wait. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, we can just. What?
I think it's the black. Just. Oh, it's me. You never know.
Actually, I don't know who it could be actually.
I just like the blackie. I'm risking it. I just like the blackie.
I'm gonna skip.
Totally not because he.
I'm gonna skip. And let's do our task. Because that part is not close at all.
Going to die.
So-
We are the last three alive, and either one of us die.
I'm gonna go to the task. I'll see you guys later.
I'm gonna watch him. I'm gonna watch him. Monkey.
No, Purple, you're going to kill him. Purple, I know you're going to kill him.
It's not me. What makes it think it's me? What do you think it makes?
Because you chose to go with him.
Because oh,
I'm sorry.
and anyway, it was me that one.
I'm
It
sorry.
was me.
I convinced him.
I got
Okay,
joy
calm
out
down.
of that
Shut
round.
the fuck up.
My question still stands. My question stands. You're okay.
No,
You.
I wanted joy.
That was our last game.
I wanted joy.
Everybody on the wall. Everybody on the wall.
Okay.
Last game. So, this was our Among Us
I just
experience
wanted joy.
with the Sons of Medusa. We all hate each other now.